Today in this video, I'm gonna explain how to install mods in Minecraft. Open the browser, go to java.com website, download and install the Java, which is compatible with your PC version. Then open another tab. Now search for Minecraft Forge. Now click on first website link. Now, from the left side, select the version and click on it. Then click on Installer. After download, open the Forge. Now, select Install Client and OK. After install, go to browser. Then go to cursforge.com website, or you can go to modrings.com website. Now select Minecraft in the CurseForge website. Then click on View All. From the left side, select Forge in Mod Loader tab. Now select the game version. Now at the sort by drop down, select popularity. Now go to journey map and click on it. Now click on files. From the filter by drop down, select the version and all mode loaders change it to Forge. Now select the three dots from the given results, then click on download file. Now go to download location and drag the file to desktop. Now open the Minecraft. From the left side, click on Forge drop down. Now select it as latest version, or you can go to installations from top. Then go to Forge. Now click on play or click on new installation. Then enter any name and select the version. Now click on click here text. Now select the resolution. Now click on create. Now click on play. Now go to main menu and click on play. Now click on modes. Now click on open modes folder. Now drag the download Forge file on the file manager. Then close the file window. Then close the game window. Now reopen the Minecraft and click on play. Now click on modes. Check the journey maps. Now play the game. By following these steps, you can install mods in Minecraft.
This video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.